This is BBC Television from London. Please stand by. We interrupt regular programming to give you an emergency announcement. We have received information about a life-threatening creature chasing and killing innocent citizens. Its origin at this time is unknown. To keep yourself safe, we will now relay instructions. Under any circumstances, do not go outside. If you see a police officer with this logo, follow their orders without question. Should a family member go missing, do not search for them. Prepare food and water to last about a week. Remember, using firearms is futile as it has little to no effect on the creature. The police officers with the logo mentioned before won't harm you. If you see this creature in your home, prepare for instant death as there is no way you can defend yourself from it. We will attempt to release new information as this situation escalates, but currently we have no new information to tell you at this time, so for now we will be going off the air. So, stay tuned to our radio station at 94.9 FM. This is the BBC, signing off.
There is no escape from me.